pull up that part now. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and you're looking at Marcel right now, and we are in Sanganetti this morning and we are here to present a wheelchair to Mr. McLean. So you'll hear, you'll see the presentation in a little while. Please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once you post a new video you will be notified. Oh, you saw him when you came? Oh, okay. With us today is a gentleman by the name of Mr. Mendez, and also you'll see Marcel taking down a wheelchair, and we are at Mr. McLean's abode. So for those of you who have been following us, you'll know who Mr. McLean is, right? We would have done an interview, more than one, with him already. All right, so we're here today to make a presentation, and you'll hear more in a little while. So please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and so that you'll be notified when we post new updates. All right, sorry about that, I got a little bit distracted. All right.
Yes,
hi, Mr. McLean. Good morning.
Yes, pleased to meet you. Yes.
So how are you?
Yeah, man. I'm Leonard Mendez.
Yeah,
man, from batch 86.
yeah.
Yes, you know, we form a batch, a group, a WhatsApp group. You know, we hear about the plight, you know, as a ex-member of the constabulary force. Is that so? Yeah, man, you know, so as a result of that, batch member of 86.
Oh, bruh.
And I brought no wheelchair now.
Yeah.
So I wanna see him.
We met up with him in Spalding's.
Oh.
Yes.
So you did some landscaping.
You are doing some landscaping?
Yeah.
Which part?
I mean, no, I say, I somebody met with him.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay.
So I make breaking to the building now for me.
Oh, he's assisting you to do some work.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very good. Yes.
Put it in, you can put it in, so.
Okay.
Yes, I'm McLean. So, yeah, man, that's $15,000, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, man, okay. Yeah, man, I guess what will be coming is just that people are trying to get themselves around, you know?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. A little is much when God is in it. So, yes.
Just maybe Santa, but him foot, foot can get better now.
Foot all right, man. Santa foot is well okay. So, where you live here together?
Me live here.
Yalone there?
Yeah.
So you have people assisting you?
Yeah, man, I get some assistant like people come and watch me and
Okay.
and me have people who read me out and something.
Yeah.
But you know, you have
So,
to.
yeah, yes. So, what will they do in this position?
Me do an open surgery and some other surgery. So it kind of slow me up.
Oh, okay. How long now since you actually been like this?
In about from 2018.
2018?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's been a while now.
Let
And let me take a photograph of you, because members want to see, and because of transportation problem and all that. So
you want me to take the picture for you and you go over there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You just okay. Don't move yet.
And you can put your chair, because those some members want to see.
Yeah.
Got that. Okay. Yeah, I have quite a few and they look okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. So we can go now.
So we have another batchmate. We want to see him a couple of days ago, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. He get a stroke. And yes, so I'm going to visit him, give him a walk as well. And so we try to find them and see
what assistance
we can render to them, you know.
Yes, that's so awesome.
Remember when we were once youth, we went up and down all over training school and come out and all over the place, you know. And times, you know, to know what we are, you know.
Yes, man.
As human. Yes, you know.
So true, so true.
Yes. Okay. Mr. McLean, so enjoy the season.
You too.
Yes, and we'll keep in touch.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, guys, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it Likkle, everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye. Yes, and we also want to send a special shout out to Trevor Mitchell, who initially made contact with us to arrange all of this. So, you know, I've never met you, but you have, based on how you sound, your personality is quite soft and nice. I don't know, but that's what I get from it. But so big up to Trevor Mitchell. Thank you so much. All right.
You know, he's what he is.
Yes. Yes.
Driving force behind.
Yes.
You know, but 86.
Yes, quite a pleasant personality indeed. You know, yes.
We have quite a few supporting members. You know, that are well involved.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, so big up Trevor.
Yes.
And the others.
And batch 86.
Batch 86. General.
In general, so we don't leave out anyone. Right. All right. God bless.